Unveiling the Secret of a Green Thumb, an English phrase explored. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, green thumb. If you're curious about what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. So, let's get started and explore this colorful expression. The phrase, green thumb, is a popular English idiom. It refers to a person's natural talent for gardening and growing plants. It's as if they have a magical touch, making plants thrive and flourish. Interestingly, the term, thumb, in this phrase symbolizes skill or ability in this context. The origin of green thumb is quite intriguing. It's believed to have originated from the early practice of king's gardeners. They would get green stains on their thumbs from handling plants so often. Another theory links it to the green algae that would stain workers' thumbs in peat moss. Regardless of its origin, the phrase vividly captures the essence of gardening expertise. Now, let's see how to use green thumb in everyday conversation. Here are a few examples. 1. My grandmother has a green thumb. Her garden is always full of vibrant flowers and vegetables. 2. I wish I had a green thumb. Unfortunately, most plants don't survive long under my care. 3. If you have a green thumb, you might find gardening a relaxing and rewarding hobby. In different cultures, the phrase might have variations. For instance, in the UK, they often use green fingers. However, the meaning remains the same. It's a phrase that connects deeply with nature and the skill of nurturing life, transcending cultural boundaries. We hope you enjoyed learning about the phrase, green thumb, and can now use it confidently in your conversations. Remember, language learning is like gardening. It takes patience and practice. Until our next video, keep nurturing your language skills, and maybe you'll discover you have a green thumb for languages too. Happy learning!